Hey everyone, welcome to Quick Learn. In this video, we'll learn how to set up nested routes in Next.js in the simplest way possible. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, and we'll walk you through step by step. Let's dive in. To create nested routes, you can nest folders inside each other. For example, to add a route /blog, create a folder called blog in the app directory. Then, to make /blog publicly accessible, add a page file. With another example, let's start coding. First, we'll create the main dashboard page in app/dashboard/index.js. This page will act as the parent route. Now, create dashboard page. And there we will make functional component. And we will display this as dashboard page. Let's run the project and copy the link and paste it to the browser. Add at last dashboard. Now we can see this is a dashboard page. Now let's create report folder inside the dashboard folder. And then create page.jsx inside the report page. Let's render this is a report page in the h1 tag. Let browse the browser and the type report after dashboard. Now we can see report page. That's it for today's video on nested routing in Next.js. I hope you now have a clear understanding of how to create and organize routes using the app router system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more web development tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggest topics you'd like me to cover in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!